being a team of one internally, the job to-do list is endless. So being able to outsource all sales tax compliance and everything has been so great. Returns used to take me 30 minutes to 6 hours. So now just being able to email you guys all my stuff, knowing that it's going to be taken care of, has been so helpful. So I would run a report at month end and pull all of the sales tax that we collected. And then I would itemize it in a way that it could be uploaded into each state's individual software. And I would run the returns manually through Excel by myself, basically. Problem I was running into, though, was I didn't have time for the compliance side of it as well. I was just data dumping, which was a lot. So without having to manage sales tax at all, I've been able to still maintain a one-person team of me, and I've been able to focus more on the future projections of the company instead of being bogged down with the day-to-day. Sales tax is a growing beast that we know is never going to go away. So without having to spend all this time, I've been able to focus more on the growth of the company, tax options, and incentives of ways that we could mitigate taxes moving forward, which has been great. So when I was looking for a sales tax solution, I reached out to a couple of companies in general, and then I kind of looked at using a software as well without like the intermediary third person. The issues I was running into with the software was I would have to train myself on it since I wasn't using a third party. So that just adds to the workload of downloading, dumping, using the software, and uploading. And then I reached out to a couple of other companies that are performing this service as well, and none of them were up to the standard that you guys are, which is so great. A lot of the other companies are a pay per return, pay per any level of service, and this is kind of an all-encompass service, which has been so great. If you're talking to a controller about TaxValet versus a software, I would say it's a no-brainer. The hardest thing about a software is at the end of the day, you're gonna have to teach yourself. You're gonna have to find an intermediary if you can't that will teach you. And at that point, you have to just weigh, is sales tax more important than other things that I could be doing? Because at the end of the day, it's taking away your time. There's only 8 hours in a day because softwares are expensive. So if you can invest with TaxValet and have the all-encompassing product, it will probably be the better way to go instead of doing it internally.